Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the blue microphone, which is the Snowball Ice model. This is the black version, and I got this on Amazon for around 49 bucks. I love this microphone, and the reason is, for a beginner, this is the best microphone for beginners that's my opinion, but this is the best beginner microphone for beginners that are starting to record or doing YouTube or whatever it is you're doing that you need a microphone. I would suggest this microphone. The sound quality is very good for a first time microphone. It's very good. Now let's open it up. There we go. Get lost. Here we are. This is the front of the case. And this is the back. Right, now let's open it up. Come on, don't fight it. No, you want. Okay. There you go. You fought hard, but you lost. There it is. Isn't it a beauty? I love these microphones. Just love them. And in the back, your USB attaches right here. This is where your stand goes. Looks like there's nothing else in here. Put in this other box here. Comes with a booklet. Snowball Ice here. And with your USB cable. It's a pretty long USB cable. And a desktop mic stand is also included. We go put this on here right now. Try not to cross the threads here. It's very easy to do. There we got it. There she is. Like I said, guys, if you want to get a microphone, your first microphone, I would recommend you get this. If you're just starting out and you need a microphone, get this. This is a Snowball. This is the black version. And it's from Blue Microphones, but I definitely recommend this if you're a beginner and you need a microphone to start out with. This is a great starter microphone for you. Okay? Alright guys, I hope that helps you guys. And as always, I thank you guys for watching my videos. Bye bye.